Today, we are testing the installation of two capsule glass dome house. This house is 6 by 16 meter and this size is 5 by 10 meter. The two units are designed for sports, fitness, and wellness activities for overseas glass dome campsite. In a well-planned campsite, this capsule glass dome works perfectly together with our geodesic glass dome accommodation units. Also ideal for reception halls, restaurants, and relaxation spaces within the camp. Structurally, both models use a full aluminum alloy frame with reinforced double beams in the main structure. This design ensures strong stability and high resistance to wind and snow, also maintain a modern architecture appearance. The outside is covered with special outdoor wooden panels and tempered glass, providing a beautiful look while offering thermal insulation and UV protection. Before shipment, the test installation is an essential step in our process. It allows us to optimize structural details and the installation workflow, helping our clients improve construction efficiency and reduce installation time, while ensuring smooth setup on site. If you are interested, leave us a comment below. Welcome to visit our factory and contact us now.